Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. For today's 13 Days of Halloween, I am doing the Bride of Chucky, Tiffany Valentine. She has normal face makeup, so I'm just doing my normal face routine, foundation, concealer, and all of that. And I was in the middle of my concealer and forgot that I needed to cover up my eyebrows because what's a Halloween look if I don't cover up my eyebrows? And in case anybody was wondering, I am getting better at it. Now that I have my eyebrows all covered up, I'm continuing with my normal face routine. I did set everything with a translucent setting powder, and now I'm going in to contour. Her cheeks are pretty pink, so I am doing a pink blush and adding a little bit more than I normally would. She also has some pretty thick eyeliner, so I'm taking a black eyeliner and lining my lower waterline, and then I'm also going to line my lash line with that as well. Next, I'm doing the brows, and hers are pretty thin, so I'm just taking an eyebrow pencil to draw them on, and I'm just going to keep layering until they're as dark as I want. So I googled a picture of Tiffany Valentine for reference, and most of the pictures she had purple eyeshadow, so that's what I'm doing here, just a smoky purple eye look. I think I'm using a Morphe palette. I honestly forgot which one, but you can use any colors you want, any palette that you already have. You don't have to go purchase a special palette if you're wanting to recreate this. Now I'm applying mascara to my top and lower lashes because I'm about to put on some pretty dramatic false lashes. Anytime you really want to glam up a look, just add some false lashes. And I can't forget her signature beauty mark, so I'm just using a black eyeliner to do this, and then I'm going to finish off the look with the lips. I'm using the NARS lipstick in the shade Betty, which I love, but hers is a little bit darker, so then I'm going to use that same black eyeliner and just go over it to deepen it a little bit. And then I'm going to blend it all together, and that will complete this look. I really hope that y'all liked it. This is another really great last minute Halloween costume option because you could just do a white t-shirt, jeans, throw on a leather jacket, and you are good to go. This makeup is also really easy, and you can always make it your own, just like any of these other looks. But if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already so you don't miss my other Halloween looks. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see y'all tomorrow for my next video.